Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today's video is the real flight test of the Skydroid G12. The Skydroid G12 drone controller is a cutting-edge product designed for drone enthusiasts and professionals. With its advanced features and innovative technology, it provides an unparalleled remote control experience. The Skydroid G12 has a 1920x1080 resolution and a 5.5-inch high brightness display, offering an ultra-large screen-to-body ratio that remains clear even in bright sunlight. The products used in this test includes Skydroid G12, Quav Neo 3 Pro Holybro Pixhawk 6X, a 450 frame, and a 5300 mAh battery. Install the battery on the drone. Connect the battery to the buzzer and set the safe voltage. Do not attach the propellers yet. Turn on the controller, connect to the QGC ground station. Unlock the motors and check if the motor directions are correct. Once confirmed, attach the propellers. After completing the pre-flight preparations, you're ready to take off. The Skydroid G12 joysticks are highly responsive, precisely capturing control commands for delicate flight control. control process is smooth with no noticeable delay or stuttering, providing a seamless flying experience. The joystick damping is just right, making the controller comfortable to hold and not tiring even after long periods of operation. The Pixhawk 6X flight controller is stable. Even with large joystick movements, the drone remains stable. The drone's flight posture is stable, able to maintain hover and follow flight paths with good wind resistance. The remote controller responds quickly to commands, and the drone executes actions promptly, making it very easy to control. After the test, the Skydroid G12 remote controller performed excellently in this flight test. Its sensitive control, smooth response, and comfortable grip ensured a powerful flying experience. Thank you for watching. For more information, please follow the World Drone Market channel. See you in the next video.